Hello everyone. If you're getting this error when you're trying to update your Windows 0x800F0805, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying Windows update error on your computer easily. So I'm going to show you two solutions. The first one is you're going to copy this text. I'm going to give this text into the description. You're going to open up a new notepad file. You're going to go into file, click on save as, write anything here, and then end it with the format BAT. Make sure it is set to all files here. Click save. And now go to the file that you saved. Right click on it. Click run as administrator. Click yes on here. And what that will do is that will refresh your Windows update. And after you're done with that, check if that fixes the issue. If it does, then good. But if it didn't, then this is a solution for the Windows 10 users. You're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description. And then you're just going to click onto this update now button. You're going to download this file up. You're going to open it up. And then you're going to follow the on-screen steps to update your Windows. And so there it is. That's how easy it was to fix that annoying Windows update error. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.